Hello guys. In this section, I want to talk about notification page. Two type of notification we want to handle in this app. One of them is I want to show when people like us, and another one when we are matched together. So we have two type of notification. Let's go and let's provide the prompt for the cursor to see how it will provide the UI for us. So in notification page, I want to show two type of notification. One, the person who liked me, and the second one, how can I write the prompt here? Matched notification. Please provide a UI for that. So, and use some mock data. Mock data means use some data that's something like here, dummy data that we use for the home screen. I asked to use some mock data, then we will connect that to real data and to our backend. Let's see how it will handle our notification screen. Let's wait for the cursor to create that. We can see it's created some like data and match data, as you can see. Okay, so let's accept it and see how it looks like. Let me go to notification page. It's contained the, it looks good, I think, because I have the new matches and likes. It's okay, I think. It has also the images. I think it's okay. It separates them with we have two sections here right now, one for new match and another one. Let me ask, please provide more mock data. Let me see, how can I scroll here? Then I'm not able, now I'm not able to scroll. And also I want to scroll if I have a lot of notification. Let's see how it will fix this. As you can see here, when I try to scroll, nothing happened. Let's see how it will fix that. But the UI, I think it's perfect. I like that. Okay. It made some changes. Let's see. It's okay. But I can see some problem here. If we have a lot of matches here at the top, we should scroll a lot to see the likes section. Let's ask to fix that. I can see a problem here. If I have a lots of data in, what's the name, new match section, I should scroll a lot to see like section. How? Let me at first accept these current changes. How can I fix this? What is the best approach? Maybe we can fix those notification together, or any other approach. What do I mean by fix them? I mean not to separate these two type of notification and mix them together, just like other application, and just write, for example, name X matched with you and name Y liked your profile. I think it's better approach here, and we won't face this issue that I mentioned. Let's see how it will fix that. Okay, it changed that completely. We have match and like in two sections. I think it's much better right now. Okay, we can keep that like this, or maybe we can ask from a cursor to mix the notification together, like for example Instagram. We have all the notification in one page, but as we have just two type of notification here, we can keep this. We have a top tab here that we can switch between matches and likes here, and yes, that's good. Also, we don't need numbers next to matches and likes. Please remove them. I just want to remove these numbers here. I mean these numbers, these two numbers. We have it here right now. Sounds good. Everything is okay. I can switch, and yes, everything working fine. Let's accept them. We have match, like, home screen working fine, notification screen is okay. Let's go and let's work on profile screen.